From your visa fee to your flight ticket to your accommodation for 3 months in Ireland, the government of Ireland is going to pay you 4,710 euros for moving to Ireland. So the good news is you don't have to bother your head about money because the government is going to fund you. There are massive openings right now as we speak in Ireland, and if you're willing to relocate to Ireland, this is the best chance for you. As you can see it boldly stated on the website, we welcome candidates who are residents outside of Ireland and are relocating to take up either permanent or temporary post for a minimum of 2 years to avail of the International Recruitment Relocation Package. Guys, the amazing part is that you will be getting a higher relocation package than even people in the EU countries. So you can see it boldly stated here. The relocation package provides an allowance towards flight and accommodation cost to the value of 4,160 for the EU or UK candidates and 4,710 for non-EU candidates. So you are even going to be getting a higher relocation package than an EU candidate, meaning wherever country you are applying from, you are eligible for this amazing relocation package. In fact, you are at a higher advantage if you are applying from a non-EU country. So guys, if you have been trying to relocate abroad and the hurdle has been the availability of funds to travel, then you don't have an excuse anymore. This is Ireland calling you to move into Ireland free of charge. From your visa fee to your flight ticket and even your accommodation in the first 3 months you land in Ireland would be taken care of. A sum of 4,710 euros would be given to you by the government of Ireland. This is a fantastic opportunity, guys, that you don't ever want to miss. So guys, whether you're a general support worker, a caregiver, a healthcare and social care professional, a medical doctor, a nurse, a midwife, patient and client care professionals, management and administrative officers, you are going to be paid to move to Ireland. So guys, in this video I'm going to elaborate more on this amazing opportunity, and I'm going to lead you to how you can begin your application so you can benefit from this mind-blowing relocation package. So guys, please take 1 second to like this video just to encourage me. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to drop your comments and questions, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, join the family. And without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So the government of Ireland understands that you need funds, a lot of funds, to move, to relocate to Ireland, and that's why they are making it easier for you to move to Ireland and settle well in, because Ireland is in dire need of health workers. And so you can see it clearly stated, moving to a different country can be costly. To help alleviate some of the initial cost for flights and accommodation, there is a generous relocation package available. Everything for you to settle well in Ireland so that you would not have an excuse not to move. So now, who is eligible for the International Relocation Package? All grades of HAC staff are applicable for the International Recruitment Relocation Package. We welcome candidates who are residents outside of Ireland and are relocating to take up either a permanent or temporary post for a minimum of 2 years to avail of the International Recruitment Relocation Package. So for you to be eligible for this relocation package, you must be willing to stay in Ireland for at least 2 years. So what allowances are covered by the International Recruitment Relocation Package? The relocation package provides an allowance towards your flight and accommodation cost up to the value of 4,160 euros for EU and UK candidates and 4,710 for non-EU candidates. Allowances towards accommodation and flight costs are payable for a period of not more than 3 months up to the maximum amount payable. So are there additional financial supports available? In addition to the international relocation package, the following initial costs are payable on behalf of the candidate. So the registration fee, your visa fees, Royal College of Surgeons for those that are surgeons, the Overseas Employment Administration, that's for the Philippines, and recognition fee, validation of qualification fee, a typical working scheme fee. The government of Ireland is going to make this payment on your behalf. So if you are EEA, Swiss or British citizens nationals, those ones do not require work permits. Their application process is quite different because they do not require to obtain a work permit. So EEA citizens who do not require work permits, visas, authorizations are nationals of the following countries. If your country is in this list, you don't need to obtain a visa or work permit. So you want to ask me, how do I take advantage of this generous relocation package to move to Ireland? So you want to come right here and click on job search. So here you are going to be able to search for jobs using your title and description, job reference, category. You can see different categories: medical and dental, management and administrative, nursing, health and social care, general support. If you're a caregiver, support care worker, you're going to click on general support. Let's try that. Then you're going to come down right here and click on search jobs. So you can see a lot of job openings right here. So you can click on any of it and you get the details of the job. The closing date is 2nd of April 2025. So if you're interested in the job, you just click on this external job link. So this is where you're going to submit your application. So you want to read more about the job description and the requirements for this opportunity. If it matches your work experience and qualification for this job opening, you're not going to send your CV. All they require you to do is just to click on apply now, and you're going to fill a form. So you're going to enter your email address. They're going to take you step by step, and you're going to fill out a form and you'll be able to submit that form. If it is successful, they'll definitely reach out to you so you can commence your relocation journey. So guys, there are different categories. Just select anyone that matches your qualification and experience and search. So I chose management and administrative. So these are the available opportunities for management and administratives. So you can see it here. So you want to keep searching. So we have quality assurance and improvement manager. We have national patient and service user land. We have human resource and all of that. So just go ahead guys, send your applications, and you can send as many, you can apply to as many jobs as possible. Once it matches your qualification and experience, go ahead and submit your applications guys, and I wish you the very best of luck.